Welcome! Info offers now in the project setup the lookup of terrain height for your photos. So you have to define the correct coordinate system, of course, and then we can either in the frame import when you have images that include in the EXIF header information about the position of the photo, then you can already here look up for the height, and this is then happening here in the setup. Then here the assigned terrain height from the DM database will trigger. You need to have installed the GeoEats from our download page, and then you would see here the entry. In case you don't have the EXIF information, then of course you can enter your mean terrain height. I will here on purpose enter a wrong height for our demo data from Biberach, and then import my photos with these values. I will then add my GNSS information, and then after I imported the GNSS information, then we will go to the frame base spec. So I will just make here a quick forward. Our photos have been initialized with the GNSS information. Entering the frame photos dialog, we can now see here the GNSS information assigned to the photos and our terrain height that we entered during the photo import. And now we can here select all the photos, enter the edit dialog, and we have here in the initialize function now a new function called Approximate height, which is then grabbing the height information for each single photo from this global wide terrain model, and then we can here initialize the height from this value. We can say initialize, apply, and then we see now the terrain heights here corrected for each single photo. You can use it as data validation to check that the values are within the height that you entered. Or of course also when you have strong height undulation in your project, this is a great way to initialize your data for difficult terrains. So hope you enjoyed the new function and you can use it in your process. Goodbye.